Hey fellow creators, today we are about to embark on a journey of festive creativity with FlexClip, the AI-powered video editor that's going to make your Christmas videos sparkle. So buckle up because by the end of this, you'll be ready to create an eye-catching masterpiece in just few simple steps. So let's kick things off at FlexClip homepage. Click on Create by Template because we're about to make your editing process lightning fast. Now use the advanced search to find the perfect Christmas template. You can use the keyword Christmas, and once you do, you can see we have wide range options to choose from, and we are going to be selecting this particular one. Once you are in, hit Customize. This is where the real magic happens. Ready to personalize it? Well, good. Now import your media from your local storage. Imagine uploading that perfect image. Your key to making this video uniquely yours. Using the intuitive black arrowhead, scrub to exact moment you want to showcase your image. Easy, right? Drag and drop. That's FlexClip for you, turning your ideas into reality effortlessly. Well, the next step is text. Double click on the text box and let your imagination run wild. You can see you have all of these options to edit the font, the color, style, and the motion of the text to meet your own needs. Also, you can try one click to turn the text into speech as well. FlexClip gives you the freedom to express yourself completely. Now let's add some extra holiday magic. Under the Element tab, search for Christmas, browse and choose the perfect elements like bells, trees, socks, etc. Drag and drop them onto your video to enhance the festive vibe. Also adjust appearance duration for each object by clicking on the timeline button. Simply drag and drop to fine-tune your Christmas masterpiece. But we're not done yet. Transitions. Click on the hourglass symbols between the videos and you open the door to wall of possibilities. Smooth, impactful transitions to keep your viewers hooked. You can see we have multiple types of transitions to meet your requirements and make your video look much more lively and enticing. Now it's finally time for the music. You can upload your own or explore FlexClip's audio section for a collection that fits every vibe. Its final touch to elevate your Christmas video. You can see you have various options in FlexClip to edit the audio, trim it or split it, set the volume, add fade-ins or outs, preview and download your video. On the download page, you can also share the Christmas video link or upload it to the social media directly. Alright, so here as you can see the video is now exported and downloaded successfully as well. As you can see in my downloads list, I can simply preview it by simply opening the file. Okay, so you saw the transitions were amazing, everything, the text was perfect, and how attractive and beautiful the video was looking. So just head over to flexclip.com and start using the editor and create amazing videos similar to this for yourself as well. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching and see you around the next couple of videos.